Hi everybody, I'm just bringing you out here to see how my little garden is coming along. This is parsley on the back here, and my spinach is really coming up. I have two planters of that. My squash has begun to come up, as you can see, and here the beans are coming along. My broccoli, basil is starting to peak up, and this is some more squash here in this planter. You can see life here. Look at this squash here is coming up. Look at that. So, no, these are peppers here. These are peppers, and they're not doing anything right now. Oregano, you can see life here. Beans, and this is sage. You can see that starting to peek through. And these are peppers. The peppers are growing slowly. And these are peppers as well. They're coming along slowly, but I can really see some life here. And I am so happy, so happy about the life that is here. Look at that. And just look, when we got the rainwater the other day, my plants really start to come through. I don't know what's going on with the peppers. They are very slowly coming through. This is the sage here, and more beans there. But some of my herbs are coming through, and some vegetables. But I am excited, y'all. This is my little sun porch garden, and probably around Easter or beyond, I will plant some more things, but this is what I have right now on the sun porch. Look at that. It's a little windy out here today. The sun has been shining, so I kind of moved them around to the sun, but now the sun is not on the porch any longer, and I can't drag them off the porch every day, all day. So here it is, y'all. My little sun porch garden. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, share, subscribe, follow. Tell me what you think of my little garden, and how is your garden growing? I've been looking at some other gardeners, and their gardens are coming along quite well. So mine is getting there, and I am so very happy about it. Oh boy, I hope the cold front doesn't come, as they call it, the Easter snap, because if that happens, I will have to cover them over with some plastic. But for right now, they're doing well. The weather is pretty good today, just a little windy, but the sun is shining. As you can see out here, see how bright it is? Just to say, for 2 days we had thunderstorms, but now we've got some sunshine, so that's a good thing. But I'm going to end this video, and please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. As my garden progresses, I will bring you in and let you see what is happening. Okay now, bye y'all.